Today we'll talk about how can you disable mentions and tags on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just go down, click here on my Learning here. So then come to this list, you click on your name. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here and you go above this sign, click on it. So then come to this list here, then you just go down, keep going down here and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list, just switching to open video. It's going to take a time to open video here and you click here on visibility. So then come to this list, you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on mentions or tags and come to this sign, click on it here, allow mentions, you click in this sign. The like you see color it's gone, that's mean allow mentions disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.